Ever start learning to code, pick that perfect AI tool, and end up feeling totally overwhelmed like, bro, where's the just do it for me button? If you're stuck between Trae and Cursor, you're in the right place. I've tested both as if I was starting from scratch, so let's get real about which is best for beginners. Here's how it plays out. Trae is practically begging you to code, even if you've never done it before. Slick modern UI, super easy setup. Just download and go. And it's completely free right now. You get top AI models like Claude 3.5 and GPT-4o for free, instant error fixing, builder mode that plans features, and you can even throw screenshots at it and ask it to generate UI code. Reviews rave about how it just works for newbies and saves time with real previews and smart auto completions. Downsides? No Linux support, it slows down on giant projects, and you can't customize much. Privacy folks worry because it's all cloud-based. Cursor feels more like pro gear. Think VS Code with a brain. It's powerful if you're aiming to level up fast with multi-file edits, agent mode, and support for a bunch of AI models, but you'll pay and limits kick in quick. Beginners say the setup is harder, you need to know your way around file trees, and it sometimes melts down on big jobs. Plus, Trustpilot reviews shout out bugs and expensive plans that can catch you off guard. Here's a quick chart so you can see at a glance. For most beginners, Trae is where you start. If you want max power when you're ready, upgrade to Cursor later. Hit subscribe for straight up reviews and pick another vid. Let's make coding fun, even on day one.